The 3 most effective elbows that every boxer should learn outside of the ring to be more of a complete fighter. Hello, Earthlings. Ultraviolet Ronald from the Bronx here. And today we're going to get into number 1. It's kind of like the jab of the elbows, the spike elbow. All of these elbows derive from Muay Thai. So you're going to get into your fighting stance, elbows in, tucking in that chin. And all you got to do, pushing off that back foot, chicken wing your arm, grabbing the back of your head, keeping that chin tucked, and aiming the tip of that elbow right into the nose or the forehead, slicing that face right open, doing the damage, and getting out of there as quickly as possible. So you can do it with the lead or the rear. Again, you're grabbing back of your head, and you're chicken winging that arm and back up. You want to keep it nice and tight. All right. So when you're doing the elbow, keep it nice and tight because it's blocking your face and at the same time it's doing damage to the person that is in front of you if they're lunging in, or if you have to explode in to get in, do the damage, and get out. All right, so again, it looks like this. Grabbing the back of your head, you're coming in. It's a defense and then an attack at the same time, and then right back out. The second is the slashing elbow. It's kind of easier to get into that one because it's kind of similar to the hook, except you're just bringing the hand more into your body and really retracting those shoulders to rotate that elbow going across like a sword slash through the opponent's face. And the cool thing about it is that you can slash here and then come back around to really do double dose of the damage and to make sure that person's out of there. So again, here and back out. So this is what it looks like from the side. Okay, again. All right, so again, make sure it's horizontal. Your hand goes inward towards the chest. Back around, same with that front. Hand going inward towards the chest as you're rotating your hips and coming back around if you need to make sure the person is out of there. And lastly, the up elbow, very dangerous. Most people do not see it coming in. It's very good to use it when you are caught completely off guard and you feel like you do not know what to do, but you got to think fast and try to get that person out of there. So the up elbow, person's lunging in at you, and you're kind of all like, your brain scrambled. Go down to make sure whatever punch they're throwing towards your head, because 60-80% of punches are thrown towards the head in a street fight altercation. You drop down, and from here, drop your arm, boom, just come up, just like that, and back out or run away and do what you need to do. It's very effective because they don't see it coming, and you have so much force of your body going up and right into that chin. They don't see it coming. More than likely, it's going to knock that person out. So again, the spike elbow, grabbing the back of the head, very effective at slashing the person's face open. Same with the slashing elbow. Number 2, you're coming in, going back around. You're coming in, coming back around, right back to the face. And lastly, that up elbow, you're kind of, I don't know what to do. You're coming down, boom, and right back out. Hopefully, these elbows are very useful for whatever it is that you're trying to do, but this will make you more complete. And if you want something similar to this, check out 3 kicks that every boxer should learn outside of the ring to be a more complete fighter. Because boxing is great, yes, but if you can learn other little things and put in the edge in the boxing outside of the ring, it will take you much further, and you have more tools in the bag to use from. Now, thank you for joining me on this journey to the ultraviolet. And if you liked the video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and always work towards becoming your greatest version.